Okay, we're about to head out from the Frankenfurter Motel. We're going to try and make it to the Temple of Leah, which is on the outskirts of Cebu up in the mountains. It's supposed to be pretty good, so let's go. I'm going to do it the hard way because I cannot find a tour to get up there at a reasonable price. Okay, we're back out here. It's been raining this morning. That's why I've just left it a bit late. But having said that, it's a little cooler. But here we are, back in Cebu. And according to Google, I've got to walk 9 minutes to the University of San Carlos and then catch the bus for half an hour. And we'll go up here and cross the road. It is the safest way to cross the road, believe me. How you going, guys?
Hi.
We walk down here to get around these jeepneys. I think otherwise I'll never get across the road. Just stick a pole on the footpath, it's okay. We're off, we've got my ride on my jeepney. We're heading up towards Temple of Leah. Apparently I've got to catch another one somewhere along the way. Travelling by jeepney is oh look, we're at the big roundabout. Can't think of the name of it, but I'll see if I can get back to you on that one. Leave a description on the video. Like I was saying, travelling on jeepney is very cheap. It's just a little bit difficult if you're not exactly sure where you're going or where the it's easy to hop on and off, and it only costs maximum 20 pesos, which is less than 50 cents. But the problem is knowing where it's going to. If you don't know the city, you don't know the names. But now I'm getting home is another story. I've got no idea. No matter where you go in the world, you can find a Starbucks. I don't drink the coffee there, but it's too expensive. It's been raining here a little bit. So. Well, that be raining. There you go. And that's how it's done. You get on the jeepney, you pass the money forward through all the customers. He gives you the change, he passes it all the way back. a bad system. Easy. Alright, we're going up the hill, getting somewhere. Going in the right. One big bonus about the rain is it's a hell of a lot cooler. I'd say it's only about 27, 28. And the sun's just not beating down on you. It's really good. Sometimes it can be absolutely crucifying. Okay, we made it as far as we can on the Jeepney, and now I've got to discuss a way, or find a way of getting up to Temple of Leah. As soon as I hopped off the Jeepney, they were trying to charge me 800, which seems a bit steep, but we'll find out. Let's just have a bit of a look around. Righto, I'm just gonna get something to eat and something to drink, and then figure out my choices to get up to the Temple of Leah. I think they were trying to rip me off. Who knows? I'll have a look around, but I think 800 pesos to get up to the Temple of Leah and a couple of other places was a bit steep. But we'll find out, because we'll ask around. All right, just spoke to the waitress here at the bar. She told me the only way to get from here up to Temple of Leah is on the back of a motorcycle, and that should cost me somewhere around about 100 pesos. So the 800 that I got quoted before, I think he was going to do a bit more than just take me to Temple of Leah. He wanted to get me to do all sorts of things, but I'll see when I get up there. So I'll just take the motorcycle and get up there for 100 pesos. Now, yeah, so we'll find that. Alright, let's just have a little bit of a look around here, and then we'll try and catch a bike up to the Temple of Leah. I was told 100 pesos, but I'm paying 150 because I'm only going one way out. If I was going up and down, it'd be 100 each way. So, fair enough. I just don't know where I'm going to go from Temple of Leah, so we'll work it out from there. The scooter's doing okay for a big bloke like me on it. Poor little bike. Thank you very much, that was very good. Oh, yeah. He wants his helmet back. Thanks very much, mate. 120. Okay. 150. Yep. Gotcha. All right, thanks. Oh, this sure is a beautiful place. Fantastic views from up here. Well worth coming up. Pardon?
What's your name?
Chris.
My name is Chris and Java.
Nice to meet you. A friend. Possibly not the friend I wanted to make, but anyway, a friend. This looks nice. Getting the puff on, mate. How are you? Okay, this is lunch, first for the Philippines. Beef with broccoli. So at least I get some vegetables with the always present rice. Can't have a meal without rice in the Philippines. And similarly, you can't have a meal without a beer. Nice Pilsen, San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Love it. In case you don't know, knives don't exist here for whatever reason. Really nice spot. What a beautiful place. Nice place just to chill out for a while. Alright, time to find my motorcycle rider. He's going to take me back to where I got off the Jeepney so I can catch a Jeepney back to Cebu. Hopefully. Just could do with a shower now, I think. Hot and sweaty. Isn't this place beautiful? top spot. If anybody's this way, they should just come up here for lunch. Absolutely beautiful. Now it's time to head back. The motorcycle, he's down here, he's waiting. Righto, we're going to the Taos Temple, but I didn't know we were going all the way through town. This is a bit hairy. I think we might survive. Well, I think we'll do this another day. It's a bit late. Get my bloody license back and we'll come here another day and we'll do the Taos Temple. It's not far from town, so hell, at least I'm back close to town, so that's the main thing.